Hey, welcome back to the Real World Garage. Here we are today with the 68 Country Sedan, and we got a little shot here of the stock factory hubcaps that came on the vehicle. And move around to this side, and this is what a good friend of mine, another car guy, had sitting around and gave me a good old set of what I think they call these baby moons. And had a decent set of tires on them. They're not really new, but they still got tread on them, and they'll do good for first little while. As long as we're not making 100 mile an hour passes on them, I think we can, if we ever get brakes on this thing, we can actually tool it around. So with that, we're going to take the wheels off of this, and we're going to use the tires from this on the back of this, because this is in need of tires for my son to get back and forth to school. So we're going to do some tire swapping and wheel swapping, and just another day in the Real World Garage. Y'all come along. Trying to figure out you got to cut up higher than that. Yeah, I'm looking. I got something in my way. May have to jack it up. Yeah. Put a jack stand under it. Yeah. Channeling our best David Fry burger as we work on our getting the exhaust cut off. That would improve flow. What do you think?